Welcome to Bio by Priti. Today we will dive into the intricate structure of the human heart. The heart is a muscular organ located slightly to the left of your chest. It's encased in a protective sac called the pericardium, which contain a fluid to reduce friction during the heartbeat. The heart is divided into four chambers. The upper two chambers are called atria and the lower two chambers known as ventricles. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava. This blood is then passed to the right ventricle, which pumps it to the lungs through the pulmonary arteries for oxygenation. Once oxygenated, the blood returns to the left atrium via the pulmonary vein. From the left atrium, the blood moves into the left ventricle, the most muscular chamber, which pumps it into the aorta for distribution to the entire body. The heart's valve play a crucial role in maintaining unidirectional blood flow. The tricuspid valve located between the right atrium and right ventricle prevent backflow during the ventricular contraction. The pulmonary valve situated between the right ventricle and pulmonary arteries ensure that blood flow to the lungs. On the left side, the mitral valve, also known as a bicuspid valve, control blood flow between the left atrium and left ventricle. Finally, the aortic valve located between the left ventricle and the aorta prevents blood from the flowing back into the heart after it has been pumped out. The septum is the internal wall that divides the heart into the right and left half. The interarterial septum separates the atria while the interventricular septum divides the ventricles. The heart wall is composed of three layers: the epicardium, which is the outer layer, the myocardium, the thick middle layer made of cardiac muscles, and the endocardium, the inner layer that lines the chamber and cover the valve. The myocardium, being the thickest layer, is responsible for the powerful contraction that pump blood throughout the body. The heart's electrical conduction system is a crucial for coordinating these contractions. It starts with the sinoatrial node or SA node, known as the pacemaker of the heart. The SA node generates electrical impulse that causes the atria to contract, pushing blood into the ventricles. These impulses then travel to the atrioventricular node or AV node, which act as a gateway, delaying the signal before it passes to the ventricles. From the AV node, the impulse travel through the bundle of H and into the Purkinje fiber, which spread throughout the ventricles, causing them to contract. This precise conduction system ensures that the heartbeat in coordinated and efficient manner, maintaining continuous blood flow. Thanks for watching. If you found this detailed explanation helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bio by Priti for more in depth for biology contents. See you in the next video.